What's going on, guys? It's your boy Dom coming back to you from All About Passive Income. And you already know what time it is. We got to keep bringing you that fire. I still got to, got to take a little break here and there. I know I ain't been dropping videos after videos after videos, but, there ain't really been a whole lot, in my opinion, to really just talk about. So, being that said, let me hit you with this disclaimer. I'm not your financial advisor, nor will I tell you how to spend your money or what to put your money in. Anything in crypto is high risk, so you make sure that you do your own research, your own due diligence before you get into any platform online. I don't care what it is. But now that we got that disclaimer out of the way, let's talk about this Ehterchain. Now, this Ehterchain I've been looking at here for a little, for a little bit and just kind of watching it. It's been out for a while. There's been a lot of people, raving over this thing. A lot of people coming in big. A lot of people coming in right in the middle of this thing. But I like it just for the simple fact that it is on the blockchain. It's decentralized and things like that. So you don't really have to worry about this thing they're actually taking and running off with your money and things like that. So I can't say that it's 100% bulletproof, but you have better chance to ROI with these types of platforms, especially on the blockchain, because you're interacting directly with the contract. This basically is just a script. You can get access to the actual contract and interact with that if this page were to disappear and things like that, to be able to kind of get to your eat and stuff like that. All right, now. Basically, how this thing works, you do have the option to, get sign up, get referrals and things like that. But if you guys that don't, you're not a YouTube, or you don't know how to get referrals or whatever in that nature, you don't have to worry about that. You can come in, you can drop whatever amount of ETH you want to drop in, up into 10. 10 is the highest that you can put in. You can't put in no more than 10 ETH at a time, okay? And I'll get to how all that works in just a second. But it's very simple to do. So basically, right now in this smart contract, right now they have almost 3,000 ETH in this contract. All right. Now the amount of withdrawn out of this contract so far is only 325 ETH, and then the amount in the daily pool right now is 102 ETH. Okay. So basically, what happens is that every single day, every 24 hours, you'll get paid out 1%. So based on how much money you put in or how much ETH you put into the contract, you'll get paid out 1% every single day. Every 24 hours, you get paid out. And like I said before, of course, you can refer people and things like that and get people in, and which you can get your initial back a lot faster if you build a team. But if not, and you don't know how to you recruit or do anything like that, it's very, very simple. Very, very simple. I'll do a individual tutorial on how to get leads and traffic and things like that. So for you guys that don't know how to do it, it'll be real simple for you going forward. All right. Now, you can definitely check out this, get involved with it. It's very, 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 very easy to do. Just straightforward. You come up here. You want to, as soon as you click the link in the description below, what it's gonna do, you make sure you have your MetaMask wallet open, because you're definitely gonna need a MetaMask wallet. And as soon as your MetaMask wallet opens up, you're going to confirm. So that's just letting your wallet know that you're approving to interact with this contract. Okay. Now, once that happens, once that's confirmed and you're ready to go, then you come down here and then you just choose the amount of ETH that you want to put in. You can do zero point 0.1, zero point 0.5, 1 ETH, 3 ETH, 5 ETH, or 10 ETH. Okay. Now, when I said a while ago was 10 ETH is the most that you can put in the contract. And that's that way, so whales can't come in and put thousands and thousands of ETH in the contract and eat it all up. Okay, so that gives everybody a chance to ROI, on their initial what they put in the platform. Okay, but you can also, if you want, you can create another MetaMask. Have another account on your MetaMask, because you can have as many different wallets inside of your MetaMask as you want. So if you want, you can open up another account under your MetaMask, and you can come in here and then you can buy, sign up under yourself, and then you can buy another zero point 0.1, zero point 0.5, whatever, zero point 0.3, zero point 0.5, or 10 or whatever, and you can do it that way and then build it underneath yourself. You can definitely do that if that's what you choose to do. So that way you'll be getting referral commissions off of you plus you still getting that 1% per day. So you can definitely do that as well. So that's just another little option to kind of get it out there and let you guys know. They did do a webinar on this yesterday. I took a little, watched it a little bit, didn't watch it all the way in detail, but they did say that it's okay for guys to go out there and stack your account if that's what you want to do. It's up to you. Whatever you want to do, okay? And that's going to be the fastest way for you to to ROI, which ROI your money back as fast as possible. All right, so this is very, guys, it's very simple, very straightforward. Nothing to really techie about it. Just come in, like I said. As soon as you get in, it's gonna connect to your MetaMask, and then as soon as it connects to your MetaMask, then you confirm it, and then you come right in and then figure out how much you want to put in there, and then as soon as you put it in, you're just gonna hit this join button. As soon as you hit that join button, that's it. So you cannot with this platform, if you come in and you put in, just say I put in point 0.5. So if I wanted to come in and put another point 0.5 in here, I can't put another point 0.5 in there until this 310% has ran its course. Then that's when round two is gonna come available. So now I can take my profits or whatever I want from here, and then I can up it however I want to do it. The same with if I would have went in with 10 ETH, right? I wouldn't have been able to stack and put more ETH on top of this 10 ETH. It would only be 10. So whatever you come in with, so just make sure you come in with a comfortable number that you feel like is feasible for you, because once you click and you get your funds into the account, that's it. You can't go in and add and add and add and add and add to it, because that well proofs this contract, in a way. So you don't have a bunch of whales coming in here just buying a thousands and thousands of ETH coming in and draining the contract as fast as possible. Okay, so this kind of protects you a little bit, so that way you almost have a better chance to ROI. I can't say you're guaranteed to, but it's gonna give you a better chance to ROI. All right, so that's Ehterchain, and I also want to come over here and I want to talk about FX Scalper. Um, a lot of people been hitting me up on this. I know that the payouts on a daily basis have been weak. This pays out Monday through Friday. So I know the payouts been weak on this, and the reason for that is because they didn't ramp up the algorithm to actually pump out more profits because of this downtrend that started back in December. So in the forex market, it's been going up and down or whatever. Like I said, you can still make money in the forex, but the algorithm that they have, or their bot that they have that's trading, they kind of toned it down a little bit, so because it was real volatile, so they didn't want to be able to start losing a bunch of money trading. So I just got this update yesterday. If you want to get that information, you need to follow me over at Telegram, which I'll leave that link in the description, because that's where mostly I post that. So when I have an update, I just put it in my Telegram group so people can see it and know exactly what's going on, especially people that are in this FX Scalper fund. So that's the reason why the actual payouts have been low. I'm not worried about it, like I said, because I've already, what I put in here, I've already made my money 5 or 6 times over already. So I'm not really worried about it. So I've been withdrawing out of here, pulling a little here, there. But like I said, it's not set the world on fire money, guys. Just, I'm not saying that you're gonna make thousands and thousands of dollars with this platform, but as you can see right here, see the difference between the years. So last year they were killing it in January, 11%. This year is only 4.56%. February 8%. This year was 4. March last year was 9. This year was 2. April last year was 13. This year was 2.05. So as you see, that last year, 2019, when this platform was rocking and rolling, you see how big the returns were on a monthly basis. They were big. They had some good months, they had some low months, but for the most part, they had double digit months. Okay, so right here, we've only been in single digit months, all so far, all the way to June. So right in here, it's supposed to start going back up in July, but we'll see. Like I said, I mean, I'm not gonna cry over the money that I have in here. I'm still gaining on it. I'm not gaining a lot of money on it, but I'm still gaining. So anything is a plus in my book. I don't care if it's 50 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents, 15 cents, whatever. It doesn't bother me. All nickels and dimes and quarters, they all add up at the end of the day. So it doesn't bother me. So that's the hopefully I answered all you guys' question in this FX scalper. That's the reason why the payouts has been so low as of yet. So we'll see going forward in the next coming months and see exactly where it's gonna go. But yeah, to answer the question, yeah, this thing is still rocking and rolling. You can still come in. You can still come in and get it going if you want to. It's up to you. I'll leave the link in the description below this video if you want to come check this out. But yeah, that's all I got, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and shut this video down. But you already know who it is, guys. Man, it's your boy coming back to you from All About Passive Income. I'ma holler at you in the next one. Peace, love. Holla.